Checking your transaction history on PayPal is essential for managing your finances and keeping track of your spending. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction history. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Activity. Once logged in, look for the Activity tab in the top menu. Click on it to access your transaction history. Step 3. Filter your transactions. On the Activity page, you'll see various options to filter your transactions. You can select different date ranges, transaction types, or search for specific transactions using keywords. Step 4. Review transaction details. Click on any transaction to view more details. This will show you information such as the date, amount, recipient, and any notes associated with the transaction. Step 5. Download your history optional. If you need a record of your transactions, you can download your history. Look for the download option on the Activity page, choose your preferred format, and follow the prompts to save the file. Now you can easily check and manage your transaction history on PayPal. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay organized and informed about your financial activities.